Good morning, you guys. BossMan and I are out at Big Ben Restaurant Supply Store. So, recently, you guys know there was a tornado. Thankfully, we were not affected by the tornado here in Tallahassee, but unfortunately, the people over in Panama City were. So, we will be going to Panama City Beach to feed the people that were affected by the most recent storm and tornado. This was, of course, unexpected, last minute, but we are out and about trying to prepare so that we can head over there and feed the people. So right now we are at the supply store getting different, we normally use styrofoam, but we are not using styrofoam. So we're here looking for supplies. So that's where we are. And you guys, this vlog will probably be chopped into 10 different parts because it's going to be a long journey. We have a lot to do, a lot to prep, and just the event within itself. We are working alongside another food trailer, but I don't know if we'll be in the same location. So yeah, I just wanted to come in and open up the vlog, say hey, how y'all doing? And I hope and pray that none of you all were affected by the tornado. If so, please let us know down in the comments how you guys are doing. So stay tuned.
But you get more. You
in
get
that one,
50
let me see.
more than you do in this
In
one.
that one, okay. What about the aluminum with the lids?
Well, does this have compartments?
No.
Okay.
Do you
You
need
really
it?
don't need it. You don't really need
Well,
compartments.
and I'm gonna show you all your options.
Okay.
So
Alright.
we saw.
Got that one.
150 divided by,
Oh,
I don't know, 35
And then we got the portion cups.
divided by.
Mm-hmm.
If you wanted to do fruit, you could do a little fruit cup.
Yeah. So we were thinking fruit cocktails
Bada bing, bada boom. You buy them by the sleeve.
by the sleeve, and it's $127 a sleeve.
It's like 120. Yeah.
Okay, and then $273.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fruit can go in these.
So I guess that's like the ones we have, but we can save our big ones.
But that would work for fruit if you
How many
decide-
come in the sleeve?
400.
Oh, okay. Nice big heater.
This is what I want right here.
What? What's this?
Not like big like this, but those Cambros that you could take.
Oh,
They're expensive though.
yeah. Oh, look at that. That don't look heavy. Pick it up. See if it's heavy.
This?
Yeah.
It ain't like ours. No.
It didn't look heavy.
No.
Now this, the big boy down here.
This ours. This ours here. This
We
South
have
Bend.
Southern, South Bend.
Yes, sir.
This ours right here.
No.
No?
Ours is more heavy duty than that.
Oh, it's different levels to South Bend?
Yeah. See that? That's what we have.
Oh, okay.
This type.
Mm.
Yeah, there's different levels, baby.
Oh, look at these fryers.
They don't have the prices on them no more.
No? Shh, probably $50,000.
Price went up. Yesterday's price is not today's price. Yesterday's price is not today's price.
It's a Tosa,
Okay.
and we sell more Tosa than we do anything. They're
Okay.
still a good product, but they're a little bit more cost efficient too. So
Okay.
Okay. So can we get the price of that one? That's a 40 pound?
50.
50 pound? Okay. What do we have now? 50? Okay.
Yeah.
absolutely.
Thank you. We're back. Alrighty. We're gonna get 6.
Okay. Let's do 9.
Alright.
There we go.
Sure, you want to go an even 10? Just odd shit.
We can always use it on the truck.
9 or 10.
9 or 10. Let's see.
Come on.
10. Look at her.
Salesperson, 10.
For 25 years.
You want a baker's dozen?
No, absolutely not. No. No baker's dozen.
There.
Appreciate it.
Sure you don't want 6 more?
No, I don't want 6 more. Not at all. Absolutely not. You done took all my money.
What you guys putting in here?
We're going over to feed the tornado victims in Panama City Beach. So it'll be a protein starch vegetable. Yep.
And you have a kitchen over there? You have a
Food truck. We'll take the truck over there.
All right.
Yeah.
The pictures over there were...
Yeah, we didn't think it was that bad, but once we saw the videos.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right.
Won't be going by Sam's.
How many boxes you have? It's freezing. Unsalted, or they don't have, oh, it's down here. 14.12. Somewhere. $30 in butter. Imagine what the bakers use. How much corn? Oh. How many you getting? 6 in there. I was gonna move that there. I said I was gonna move that there. Let's see, serving sizes. 1 cup. Two more. It's 30.
Yeah.
Right. Oh, seasoning. And that's it.
All right.
You too. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You do the same. Oh yeah, that is crazy big. $99. Oh, it's a recliner. Well, no, not a recliner, but it's a. Well, that is crazy.
Oh, just one person, but a great day. What's going on, man?
Nothing. I was just getting you switching out your stuff.
I thought that was somebody.
Oh no.
Come down here and when you finish, I need the light.
Oh well, go ahead. Explain what you're doing.
Just changing to a smaller generator.
Whoa. down shop for tonight. This is what our security is looking like. And now BossMan and I are getting ready. I know y'all cannot see me, to camp out. So we're gonna go get cleaned up, get in the back of this truck. Oh, look at that light. Where's the light coming from? Oh well, but today was a successful day. Tomorrow's setup is probably gonna look a little different, but y'all, how about BossMan forgot the pump to our airbed? So yeah, we're gonna be some troopers. Oh, there go my light. I don't know where it was coming from, but okay, gotta go. See y'all tomorrow. All right, we got our bed set up for the next few days. How you feel about it, BossMan? Huh?
All right to me. Ain't no worse than the beds over in Italy.
Felt like we was sleeping on bricks. All right, let's get comfy. Yeah, there it is down there. Yep. That is sad. Curtains hanging out the window. I hope they were okay. That's sad. Thank you. Thank you. Ooh, look at that pretty blue flame. Let's see. Yeah. So we have our blow up bed tonight, and we are sitting high. Look. Oh goodness! I was telling my husband that we should have got a queen size bed instead of the full, and he was telling me it wouldn't fit. He was so right, because this full fits perfect in the back of the truck. But we are sitting high. Today was a successful day. We fed over 400, I believe, and well, I know, but I don't know exactly how many, but it was a success. And yeah, so 2 days down and 3 to go. It is the end of night 3, and I am tired, y'all. When I say they walked me like a dog, I am so tired. But it was well worth it, especially for the calls. Last night, y'all know, for the last 2 nights, we have been sleeping in the truck so that we could watch out for the generator due to our location. I think the night before we got there, they had arrested a couple people for looting at the building that we were at because it was affected by the tornado. So we stayed out so that we can watch the truck and the generator. Well, tonight we're in a hotel, and when I tell you I'm so ready to go to bed, I am ready. It's only like 8 o'clock, but y'all, we have been going. Nevertheless, like I said before, it's definitely worth it. And I am so sorry. We have not been getting a lot of footage. And I say that because at the end of the day, I always say, oh, I should have recorded this, I should have recorded that. But when you're working, if you don't already have the camera set up, it is very hard to capture footage in the kitchen when you're working at such a fast pace. I believe today we did over 400, and when I say that, it's like not even exactly 400, because you have some people that come and get multiple meals. We had, hey Angie, we have people coming to get 30 meals, 20 meals, 15 meals, and when you're trying to prep for that many meals to go out and fix meals that are at the window, it can be hectic, and that's just what it was. It was hectic, but we love it. So yeah, day 3 was a success. As of right now, we're going 2 more days, and we're actually going to switch our location. So another 2 trucks will be where we were for the past few days, and then we're going to go to a new station. Y'all. And in spite of everything that's going on, everyone that we have served have been in high spirits, and that's a great thing. So, all right, y'all. Day 3, and we are moving out of the truck. I will say we slept a lot better last night with the blow-up bed than we did the previous night, because I didn't sleep at all. But all right, y'all, I will see y'all soon. So this is our room. Something nice and simple. Got us a stove and a... Oh, look at the goat. I'm finna say go daddy. Goodness, scrub daddy. Y'all know I'm tired. Let's make sure nothing's in the closets. It's nice. Let's figure out how to turn those lights on. Desk area. So, pull out couch. Bed. TV. And bathroom. Something nice and simple for the next few days. Alright, y'all. So this is how BossMan, he brought out the smaller generator. And this is how he secured it. He did it to the frame of his truck and to the tires on our truck. And then he came out here and checked on the generator. I think about 2 a.m. So we are on, what day is this? 4? Day 4? Yeah, day 4. And we're going to a new location. Last night, and y'all, I slept like a baby. Whew! I slept like a baby. I had some weird dreams, but I slept like a baby. But yeah, day 4. So far, so good. We're about to get started. Okay, I've got 4 in this bag, and I've got you 4 more coming, okay? There's that. You got it? Got it? Okay. And then I've got you 4 coming. Complete your 8, okay? Got it? Enjoy. Hello, sir, how many? I'm sorry. 2? Okay. Do you need forks, sir? Do you need forks? Okay. You guys be sure to come back by and get dinner after 4, okay? It'll be a different menu. There you go. Thank you. Sir, how many did you tell me? 5? Okay, got 5 coming. I'm gonna put 4 in here and then I'm gonna let you carry 1, okay? Do you need forks? No? Okay. There you go. You enjoy, okay? Got it? Got it? Alright, and then here's your 5th one, okay? Got it? Alright. How many would you like, ma'am? 3? Okay, how many would you like, sir? 10? So 12? Okay, 12, 3, and how many for you? 3? 12, 3, and 3. See if I had any rice ready. I'm sorry, ma'am. How many did you say? 3? Okay. Do you need forks? Okay.
Yeah, right set up here, but you have no meeting.
Oh, that was for the firemen. Okay, go ahead. Come on. What did you say?
They didn't make it back here.
No, I don't. They're not. No, they're not over there yet. There you go. Thank you. All right. And then you said 12, right? Okay, I'm gonna get you your 3, and then I'll work on his 12. Do you need forks, ma'am? Yeah. Okay. Those, check those because I believe those are empty. Got it? You're welcome. Have a good one.
Come on, just rice.
2, 3. Those, oh, well, I guess the firemen have to get other rice. Please, we'll do both of them. I'll be with you in a second, sir, okay? Huh? I know, I'm gonna say, I'll tell you what, let me just put you. Thank you. Anyway. Sir? Would you like yours in a box? You have space for a box? Okay. Here, baby, you. Huh? Oh. Say for 30? Oh, shoot. Which one? 3, 4. You know what? We put your man up. We put your man up. 2, 4. Do you need forks? No, okay. He's gonna meet you at the front window. He's gonna meet you at the door with the box. All right. Hey, how you doing? How many would you like? 4? Okay. Do you need forks? Yeah. Enjoy, okay? Got it. You guys come back after 4 for dinner. Hey, 4, okay? Okay, I am sorry. My numbers, my mind, 4. Okay. I guess I ain't too bad. Do you need forks? Okay. Alright, there you go. Be sure to come back for dinner, okay? Alright, you're welcome. 4 o'clock. Hey ladies, how many would you like? 10? Okay. How many would you like, sir? 3? Okay, I'm gonna get his 3 and then I'll start your 10. How many for you, ma'am? 6? Okay, let me get, how many for you, sir? 4, and how many for you all? 1? Oh, okay. 6? Okay, 3 for you. I'm gonna get his first and then I'll start, what you told me? 10? 10.
3
okay.
and 1.
3? All right, so I got 10 coming. There's a bunch coming, so we'll just load them up. Do you need forks, sir? Forks? No? Okay. There you go. Enjoy. Be sure to come back for dinner, okay? What you say, baby? Oh. Ma'am, you said 6. Okay, how many did you say, sir? 4? Okay, let me get yours. Okay. I already gave it to another dog. Do you need forks, sir? You? Do you need forks? Forks. Do you need forks? Okay. Gotcha. Okay. That's good. How long were you guys without water and power?
I had a generator.
Oh, okay. So you just didn't have water? Oh, man. I'm sorry to hear that. Oh, man. I'm sorry about that. Okay. All right. Let me. Oh, okay. You want to put her 10 in that box that just got back? Okay. Do you have space for a box? Okay. Oh, there go Arlen. I'll just put them in the bag. Do you need forks, ma'am? Do you need forks? No? Okay. We gotta get our table out of there too. Okay, here you go, ma'am. I've got 4 there, 4 here, and then I've got 2 coming. 4, 4, 8, 9, 10. I gave you 8, right? Okay. 9 and 10. Here you go. Have a good one. You're welcome. And you said 6, ma'am? Okay. 6, and then how many for you all? 6, 6, and how many for you, sir? 2? Okay, I'm gonna get his 2 out the way first, okay? Go, sir, do you need forks? Okay, you guys can go next. Oh, he's not set up yet. I was gonna say you guys can go over there and get food also, okay? So if you wanna hang around for a few minutes, he'll be open. 4? Oh, here you go. Sorry about that. You're welcome. Oh, how many, you got in there ready? Do you need forks, ma'am? Okay. All right, here's 3, and I have 3 more coming, okay? Got it? Oh, got it? Okay. All right, there you go, ma'am. You have a great day, okay? Likewise. 6. I'm not sure what he's gonna make, but you can go get you some just as soon. Arlen, what you have today? Oh, chicken and like a perlo, chicken and rice and green beans? Like a perlo rice and green beans, so you guys can get some from both spots, okay? All right, 6 for you. How many for you, sir? Huh? Oh, I have his put to the side. Yeah. How many? I'm sorry. 3? Okay, how many would you like, sir? 3, and how many for you, ma'am? 4? Okay, hold on. Let me see, because I got some chicken on the grill. Let me make sure I have enough. I have my 6, 3, and 3. Well, who was first? You or that guy? Okay, so let me see. 6, 3, and 3. Let me see what I have. People always minding your business. Oh, wait. It never, you get tired of minding your business, everybody. Huh. Working overtime. You need forks, ma'am? Okay. Okay, here's 3. All your forks are in one bag, and I got your other 3 right here, okay? Hey? Oh, I got it, because it's been sitting a minute, so I got it. I'm going to heat it up for him. Thank you, though. Unless you're going to wait a minute, I can... Okay, that'll work. Oop, this is a little janky, so be careful, okay? Got it? Okay, and then just come back in about 2 minutes. Let me get this young lady's 4 and 3, and I'll get it, okay? Do you need forks, sir? You say yeah? Okay. What you say, baby? There you go. Enjoy it. You can hang around if you want to and get some from over there when they set up.
Here you go, these 3 ready?
You have 4. Do you need forks, ma'am? Okay. Here you go, ma'am. You're welcome. Enjoy. Got it? And I have 2 available right now. He's checking to see if we have some more chicken coming up. You want these 2? Okay. And then he'll be open soon. So I'll have more chicken coming. I just don't, he's going to see how much longer it's going to be. Okay? It's got meat in it. That's okay? Oh, okay. All right, there you go. Have a good one. And then I'm going to check on the chicken, okay? See how much longer. Y'all, honey, I know I look rough, but I got to end this video real quick. It's the end of day 5. We are done. We are tired. We have served a lot of people, helped a lot of people. All right, y'all. So after 5 long days, BossMan and I successfully completed our mission of feeding well over 2,000 people with just 2 of us. Although the days and nights were extremely long, it was well worth it and satisfying. It has been one of the most rewarding experiences that we've had on the food truck thus far. We are forever grateful to World Central Kitchen for partnering with us on this event. And shout out to the residents of Panama City Beach in Youngstown, Florida. Despite what they were going through, they were in high spirits and extremely grateful for our service. I do apologize for not having more footage, but we were in the moment and working at a super fast pace. By the time we thought about picking up the camera, it was way too late, but we did what we could, and we hope you all enjoyed this footage of us servicing the people that were affected by the tornado over in Panama City Beach and Youngstown, Florida. All right, we will see you guys in the next video, and thanks again for your support. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.